Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the hard work of comparing products so you don't have to. Today, we have a drone showdown between the Tami's 4K drone and the istone 5 drone. On the left, we have the Tami's 4K drone, and on the right, the istone 5 drone. These drones are ready to battle it out to see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. So buckle up and let's get this aerial brawl started. First up, let's talk cameras. The Tami's 4K drone boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera with a 110 degrees field of view. That's right, folks, 4K. You'll be capturing high-res images sharp enough to see your neighbor's questionable lawn ornaments in stunning detail. Reviewers love the camera quality, with many noting it's a great bonus for the price. Meanwhile, the istone 5 drone comes with a 1080p HD camera. Sure, it's adjustable and you can share your pics on social media, but let's face it, 1080p is so 2010. It's like bringing a butter knife to a sword fight. Some reviewers have mentioned that while the iStone's camera takes decent pictures, it struggles with video quality, especially in low light. So if you want to count the leaves on a tree from 50 feet up, the Tami's is your go-to. But if you're just looking to capture decent footage of your dog chasing its tail, the istone will do the trick. Next, let's talk about how long these bad boys can stay airborne. The istone 5 drone promises up to 30 minutes of flight time with its twin rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to fly, crash, retrieve, and fly again. Reviewers have praised its long flight time, making it great for extended play. On the flip side, the Tami's 4K drone's flight time? Well, let's just say it's more of a blink and you'll miss it kind of experience, with some reviewers noting it's on the shorter side. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones, fast and impressive, but not built for marathons. So if you're the impatient type who wants to get up in the air and back down before your coffee gets cold, Tami's has you covered. But if you're in it for the long haul, the istone's got the stamina. Now, let's dive into features. The Tami's 4K drone is packed with goodies. One-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and even gravity control. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. You might even find a corkscrew in there somewhere. Reviewers appreciate the range of features, though some find them a bit complex. Meanwhile, the istone 5 drone isn't just sitting on its laurels. It's got headless mode, one key start landing, hand gesture photo/video, and altitude hold. Plus, it's foldable and fits in your pocket. It's like the James Bond of drones. Sleek, stylish, and ready for action. Reviewers find it user-friendly and straightforward. But let's be real, the Tami's has so many features, you might need a PhD to figure them all out. The istone is more like a trusty sidekick. Simple, reliable, and won't make you feel like you're trying to pilot the Starship Enterprise. Speaking of design, both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. The Tami's 4K drone looks like it was designed by a team of futuristic architects, sleek and sexy. Plus, it weighs less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Just don't let it blow away in the wind. Reviewers love its portability and design, though some caution about its lightweight in windy conditions. The istone 5 drone, on the other hand, is so compact it could practically fit in your skinny jeans. Perfect for those spontaneous, "Hey, let's fly a drone" moments. Reviewers highlight its compactness and ease of transport. So if you want to look like you're piloting a spaceship, go with Tami's. If you want drone portability that's off the charts, iPhone is your guy. Overall, the Tami's 4K drone receives praise for its high-resolution camera, range of features, and portability. though some users note its shorter flight time and complexity. On the other hand, the istone Thursat 5 drone is appreciated for its longer flight time, user-friendly design and compactness, but some reviewers mention issues with camera quality and flight stability. Alright, smart shoppers, that's a wrap on our drone showdown. If you want high-res, feature-packed but short flights, the Tamiz 4K drone is your aerial ace. But if you're after longer flight times and a drone that's easy to carry and use, the istone i5 drone takes the cake. Which drone will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart Showdown. Until next time, happy flying and stay smart. Product links are in the description.